Hi students, how are you? Very good. Okay, so yesterday, what did you learn? Yes, new chapter, that is integers. We have learned yesterday the introduction of integers, definition of integers. What is mean by definition of integer? So the bigger collection of numbers which contains whole numbers and negative numbers. Okay children, and you have seen how to represent integers on a number line, successor, predecessor, comparison of integers, how to the order of integers, everything you have learned yesterday. Okay, so now yesterday we started 6.1. Now our continuation problem is fourth one. Take your textbooks, observe. So write fourth question, that is adjacent figure is a vertical number line representing integers. Observe it and locate the following points. Okay, so here we have to locate the points. So it is a vertical number line. Here we represent this number line is represented by an integers. We have to locate the following points. First one, if point D is plus 8, then which point is minus 8? Which point is minus 8? So here plus 8, minus 8 means, so here 0, left side values are minus, okay na, negative integers you have learnt. So you have to move below, 0 below. So here 0 after minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8. Now, so at which point minus 8? Yes, so the point is minus 8 at F. Next one, is point G is a negative integer or a positive integer? G, where is G? G below the 0, below 0, 0 is below, G point is below 0. So that means now tell me, G is a positive integer or negative integer? G is a negative integer. Okay, G is a negative integer. Next, write integers for points B and E. So what is the integer for B and what is the integer for E? Integer for E. So here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, here E, point E, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 9, minus 10. What is the integer for point E? For point Z, point B is plus 4 and point G, point E is minus 10. Right. Which point marked on the number line has the least value? Which point marked on this number line has the least value? So which point has the least value? So here above plus 8, so below minus 10. So which point is now tell me least value? Yes, E. E is the point has the least value, that is minus 10. Arrange all the points in decreasing order of value. Decreasing order ma. So decreasing order. Okay. So the decreasing order of value. Arrange all the points in decreasing order of value. Decreasing order from, yes, from D to E. Decreasing order is D, C, B, A, H, G, F, E. This is the decreasing order of value. Right. Fifth one. Following is the list of temperature of 5 places in India on a particular day of the year. Place. So here some places given and how much temperature in the different places in India. So first of all you have to observe here the temperature in the Siachen. So fifth one. So here place given temperature. Place temperature. So place is here Siachen 10 degrees Celsius below 0 degrees Celsius, and next to Shimla 2 degrees Celsius below 0 degrees Celsius. Ahmedabad 30 degrees Celsius above 0 degrees Celsius. Delhi 20 degrees Celsius above 0 degrees Celsius. Srinagar 5 degrees Celsius below 0 degrees Celsius. So here the list of temperatures of 5 places in India on a particular day of the year given. We have to write this one with the appropriate sign. So temperature in the Siachen 10 degrees below. Below means yes minus 10 degrees Celsius. 2 degrees Celsius below. Very good. So that is minus 2 degrees Celsius. 30 degrees above. Yes, plus 30 degrees Celsius. Next to 20 degrees Celsius above 0 degrees. 0 degrees above 20 degrees Celsius. 5 degrees Celsius below 0. 0 below means minus 5 degree Celsius. Okay, right. So first one, write the temperatures of these places in the form of integers in the blank column. Yes, we have completed this one. B1. Following is the number line representing the temperature in degree Celsius. We have to represent these all temperatures on the number line using given degree Celsius. In degree Celsius you have to represent the temperatures on the number line. Okay, so we have to do this one in the textbook. So first of all draw number line. What he has given in the textbook you draw and you locate these all temperatures on the number line. And third one, which is the coolest place? Which is the coolest place? Observe. So in the different places, which is the coolest? Here Siachen minus 10, Shimla minus 2, Ahmedabad plus 30, Delhi plus 20, Srinagar minus 5. So among these all temperatures, which is the least? Coolest means yes below. That is minus 10 degree Celsius. That place is Siachen. Write the names of the places where temperatures are above 10 degrees Celsius. Above 10 degrees Celsius. So which places contain the temperatures above 10? 10 above means yes Ahmedabad and Delhi. So above 10. 10 above 20 and 30. So the temperature contain the places are Delhi and Ahmedabad. Right. Next to sixth one. And each of the following pairs, which number is to the right of the other on the number line? So on the number line, which integer, which number is to the right of the numbers? So here first A1 2 9. So we have to right of the number line. So right other the on the number line. So if you draw these integers, if you represent these integers on a number line, okay, so these two are positive integers. So at 0, right side have to give 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. See, so this is right side. Okay, 2 after 9. So observe here, 2 is where and 9 is where? Yes, 2 is left side, 9 is right side. Now which integer is to the right of the other? Okay, 9 is the right of the other. But to write here, 9 is the right of the 2. 9 is the right of 2. Okay, minus 3 minus 8. Minus 3 minus 8. Same now, this one also you have to represent on the number line. Here two integers are negatives. So that's why you have to take 0 left side. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8. So here minus 3. Minus 3 is here, minus 8. Minus 8. Okay, so which is right to, which is right? Minus 3, minus 8. Okay, minus 3, minus 8. Which is right side? Yeah, minus 8 is the left side, minus 3 is the right side. So here minus 3 is right of the number integer minus 3. So here minus 8 minus 3 is the right side of the integer minus 8. Okay, children, is it clear? So remaining C, D you have to do yourself. Next, seventh one. Write all the integers between the given pairs. Write them in increasing order. So seventh one is, so first A, 0 and minus 7. 0 and minus 7. So among these, in the given pair 0 and minus 7, write the integers in the increasing order. Increasing order ma. So 0, increasing order, here 0 and minus 7. What is the increasing order? Increasing order. So 0 and minus 7. Increasing order means, yes, that is minus 6, minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1. Okay, same. Next to B1, minus 4 and 4. Increasing order. Increasing order, here also increasing order, minus 4 and 4. Yes, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1. Next, 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, right. Next one, minus 8 and minus 15. Minus 8 and minus 15. Increasing order. Yes, minus 14, minus 13, minus 12, minus 11, minus 10, minus 9. Right. Next, D1, minus 30 and minus 23. Increasing order. Minus 30 and minus 23. Yes, that is minus 29, minus 28, minus 27, minus 26, minus 25, minus 24. Okay, so next minus 23. Very good. Okay, is it clear that one? So copy it. Right one. Next one. Next question. Write 4 negative integers greater than minus 20. 4 negative integers that are greater than minus 20. So greater than minus 20. So which are 4 negative integers? Yes, minus 19 is greater, minus 18, minus 17, minus 16. So these four negative integers are greater than minus 20. Right. Next, write 4 negative integers less than minus 10. So less than minus 10. So above greater than minus 20, 4 negative integers. Less than minus 10. 10 below integers are, yes, that is minus 11, minus 12, minus 13, minus 14. These are the 4 negative integers below or less than minus 10. Right. Next one. For the following statements, write true for T, true for T or false for F. If the statement is false, correct the statement. Correct the statement. Right. First one. Minus 8 is to the right of minus 10. So check once. Minus 8 and minus 10. So here both negative integers are left side of 0. So that is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 9, minus 10. Here minus 8 is the right of minus 10. So minus 10, minus 8, minus 10. Which is the right? Minus 8 is the right of minus 10. So that's why the statement is true. Right. Minus 100 is to the right of minus 50. Okay. Minus 100 is to the right of minus 50. Minus 100. Here minus 50. This 100 is the right side. So is 100 minus 100 is the right of minus 50? No. So that's why it is false. Next one. Smallest negative integer is minus 1. So which is the smallest negative integer? Minus 1. Minus 1 smallest negative integer? False. So here we have the greatest negative integer, that is number 1. Okay. So the statement is false. And next one. Minus 26 is greater than minus 25. Is it correct? Minus 26 is greater than minus 25? No. So minus 26 is less than minus 25. So that's why it is false. Right. Copy it, children. Right. Next, 10th problem. So what is the 10th one? Draw a number line and answer the following. Number line we have to draw for the given statements. First one is, which number will we reach if we move 4 numbers to the right of minus 2? So okay, write 4 numbers to the right of minus 2. Minus 2 to, you have to move how many steps? Yes, you have to move 4 numbers. So for that we have to draw number, so line here -2 to 4 steps. So that means you will reach, yes, positive side, that is give here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right. Here -1, -2, -3. Here in the question, which number will we reach if we move 4 numbers to the right of -2? So -2 to right side 4 numbers. So from -2 to, so it is 1, 2, 3, 4. So you reached, yes, at point 2. Now which number you reached here? Yes, that is +2. Right. That is +2. Okay, next one. Which number will we reach if we move 5 numbers to the left of 1? Left of 1. Okay, so left of 1, you have to move 5 numbers. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, here give -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. Okay, left of 1. So it is right side. So you have left means 0 below numbers you have to move. So left of how many numbers? 5 numbers from 1. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you reach that, yes, -4. And next, if we are at -8 on the number line, in which direction should we move to reach -13? Okay, if we are at -8, so first you draw a number line. So -8 on the number line, in which direction should we move to reach -13? So 0, -8 means below 0, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7, -8. Now you are here at -8. So next, in which direction should we move to reach -13? -13 means here -9, -10, -11, -12, -13. -13 is here. So that means which direction if you go, then you will reach at -13? Yes, you have to move left direction. So that is left side. Okay, number. So that is you have to move left side of -8. Left side of -8 to -13. Why? Because -13 is the left side of -8. Okay, children. So you have D problem also. You have to do yourself. If we are at -6 on the number line, in which direction should we move to -1? So you are -6. No, in which direction if you go, then you will reach -1. Yes, obviously right side. We have to draw that one. Okay, now children, right. So up to now we have completed exercise 6.1. So in this you got homework. So what is that? Page number. So today you have homework from exercise 6.1. Exercise 6.1, page number 121. Okay. So in the page number 121, I given fifth question B1. Okay, fifth question B, and next sixth problem. Sixth problem, that is C, D, E, F. And next 10th problem. So that is D. Okay children, we have to solve this homework problems and post it. Okay children, bye. Have a wonderful day.